What's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning into the Sneaker News YouTube channel. Today we have a very special unboxing here for you. But before we show you what's inside here, we'd like to ask you a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button. We're posting new videos almost on a daily basis, on the weekdays of course, and on the weekends. And of course, turn on that notification button if you want to know exactly when we post new videos. This is the adidas Futurecraft 4D, designed in collaboration with Daniel Arsham. In this video, we're going to talk a little bit about who Daniel Arsham is, talk a little bit about Futurecraft 4D, talk about resale prices, talk about the fit. So also, with this shoebox, there's no traditional lid, so there's no like flipping up or like a box top lid. There's actually a little thread right over here that's attached to a taping that goes all the way around. So once you open it, it's open forever. But we're going to show you that anyway. All right, let's go. So as you can see, we tore through the tape with the attached thread. Let's go. So right off the bat, there's another lid that says past, present, and future, handled with care all around this actual box lid. So already you can tell that the packaging on here is very elevated. Again, Daniel Arsham is an architect, and so he's gonna bring something a little bit extra that you probably won't see in most sneaker releases. So again, here you get a special set of socks in matching colorway in that arrow green. Here we have a set of gloves. This comes with some special edition gloves. Boom, here we go. So we just went through that pretty extensive unboxing and we finally got to the shoes. This is, of course, adidas Futurecraft 4D, designed in collaboration with Daniel Arsham. And Daniel Arsham, as you guys know, he is an artist, an architect, creator, visionary. He's done a lot of exhibits around the world. There's one going on right now in New York City's Lower East Side as of October 2018. And his relationship with Adidas is that, you know, he's done some collaborations with them in the past. He did an Adidas New York shoe. It was like an all-white canvas that had some secret messaging that revealed through blacklight. And there's some of that in here as well. And Daniel Arsham's aesthetic has always been something along the lines of imagining the future, but in like a dystopian sort of kind of a look and feel. So that's why he has a lot of, you know, stone and marble and whites and blacks and a lot of solid colors, and they typically look weathered and like kind of beaten up. And that sort of aesthetic has been sort of his calling card, so to speak. But for this Adidas collaboration, things look extremely clean, very, very refined. In terms of the actual description of these shoes, they're very straightforward. It takes the arrow green colorway, which was the original tint of the Futurecraft 4D sole, and he applies it all around the shoe. It's on the continental rubber outsole, it's on the prime knit upper, it's on this suede little patch right on the heel, it's on this exposed embroidery. And if you look over on the medial side, you see much of the same. Full prime knit upper with the suede, all in that very, very pleasing arrow green colorway. Even if you look in the insole, it's also the same arrow green, and much of the same applies to the other shoe. It's pretty much uniform arrow green colorway that matches a shoebox that has all these little details that say past, present, and future. Daniel Arsham's name also printed on. And you know, just as you saw, the shoes are meant to be completely different once they're unpackaged. And because the box itself is sealed with that tape, with that thread, once you open it, they're no longer the same. So that also reflects Daniel's style of art. And you know, as you guys saw on social media, the shoes actually feature the 3 stripes logo as well as the word future across the toe box when you apply a black light to it. A nice little hidden detail that the artist has typically utilized in his art pieces as well. A lot of hidden messaging, things of that nature. But yeah, this is the Futurecraft 4D has had quite a year. Of course, there are the 4 collaborations that we saw. Invincible, Foot Patrol, sneakers and stuff. There's one coming with Kith. It's not really part of that sneaker boutique pack. This is just a one-off collaboration with an artist. Definitely a super stylish shoe. It goes really clean with the arrow green. In terms of resale prices, you know, a lot of the Futurecraft stuff has been fetching high dollars just because these are a very clean look on the foot, and color blocking is nice and monotone and muted. That's kind of been the trend with these sock-like shoes or these knitted upper shoes. The resale on this is definitely going to start at $1,000 for sure. That's on the very low end. I mean, the retail price itself was $450, and they were kind of hard to get. They're pretty limited. They're only dropping at select shops, which you can see all there in our store list below. But the future of Futurecraft now, you know, this is Adidas's next big cushioning, and they're using it very selectively. They're not going to make it like a mass GR shoe just yet, but you know, they're applying it to, you know, highly limited special edition, very refined releases and probably collaborations. You're going to see more friends and family versions. There was that gray version that was given out to friends and family. So, you know, Futurecraft is like a nice little ace in the hole for Adidas right now. Not quite ready to hit the mass market just yet because it is such a funky conceptual design, but in terms of grabbing the attention of sneakerheads and those who like high-end shoes, this is definitely something that people will be interested in. So that's pretty much it. This is the Futurecraft 4D, designed in collaboration with Daniel Arsham. The official release is October 12th, 2018, with a retail price of $450. We hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. You got a first look at that shoebox that tears open. All that information about the release will be in the descriptions below. Let us know in the comments if you think this is what Adidas's next great big thing is, just kind of like how Boost and Yeezy was big for Adidas. If you think Futurecraft 4D has what it takes to be the next big trend for Adidas, you know, let us know in the comments. Debate that, if you will. And again, thanks for watching. You know, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. We'll be showing you more first-hand looks at upcoming hot exclusive releases such as this one. And we'll catch you next time.